Solve the equation 125 raised to the x power plus 5 raised to the 3x plus 1 equals 200. This is an exponential equation because of the unknown, the variable. X is in the exponent. There are two terms with x unknowns. We will need to find a way to combine them, but they do not have the same base. And even if they have the same base, there is no law of exponents that allow us to combine the sum. But let's see if we can rewrite it in the same base as the second term. The first term has base 125 and the second term has base 5. We notice that 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And so we would rewrite 125 as 5 to the third power, and we still have x in the exponent. 5 to the third power is 125. Plus 5 to the 3x plus 1 equals 200. If we have an exponent raised to the another exponent, then we would multiply the two exponents. So the first term is now 5 to the 3 times x is 3x plus 5 to the 3x plus 1 equals 200. And again, even though the two have the same base, we cannot combine them because this is addition. But we noted that we can also rewrite the second terms as 5 to the 3x times 5 to the 1 power. When we multiply two exponential factors or expressions, we add the exponents. And so we can also reverse the process as well. And so we now have 5 to the 3x plus, that is one copy of 5 to the 3x power, and 5 copies of 5 to the 3x, and the right hand side is still 200. These are what we call like terms. 5 to the 3x, 5 to the 3x, 1, 5 to the 3x plus 5, 5 to the 3x. The total is 6 of 5 to the 3x. And the right hand side is 200. At this point, in order to get to x, we would need to get to 3x, meaning we will need to get to 5 to the 3x. So we need to get rid of that 6 by dividing both sides by 6. 5 to the 3x equals 200 divided by 6. 200 divided by 6 is 100 over 3. Do not use decimal number, not yet. This is now an exponential equation with only one base. We can either take the natural log both sides of the equation, or we can use the definition of log to rewrite it in terms of log or in logarithmic form. The base is 5, so this is log base 5 of the other side of the equal sign, which is 100 over 3 equals the exponent. Log is the exponent. The goal is to isolate x, but we have 3x, and so x is 1/3 of log base 5 of 100 over 3. The graphing calculator decimal can evaluate this for us even with base 5. But if we use an ordinary calculator, we can do a change of base and rewrite this as ln of 100 over 3 divided by ln of 5, or we can do 1/3 log of 100 over 3 divided by log of 5. And in an decimal approximation, This is roughly 0.7262 rounded to 4 decimal places.